Hello, I'm in a 2010 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see a release lever right here that will pull. And behind here, you should see like a cable attached. If there's no cable, then that's something I need to address. But up front, you should see that the hood's slightly loose now. And we'll feel around until we find this lever that will push the lever and lift. So push and lift. Yeah, let's see if I can do this with one hand. But there's this arm here that will pop into there. So now this arm's holding it up. And this is what that lever looked like that I was pulling. So double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris sticking here that needs cleaned up. If it's really sticking, maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. And this is what it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent or broken. And then double check that your hood's in proper alignment too, because if the hood's crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.